everybody, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Lynette and I am with the Skin Candy. I am so glad that you guys have joined us again today for another soap making video. Today we're going to be making one of our most loved products. It is a masculine scent. It is called Ferocious Beast, and we have used Nature's Garden's Ferocious Beast. We will leave a link for all of these down in the description box below. And for our colors today, what I have done is I am using Mad Mica's True Red Blend. And how you do that, it's actually not just one mica. It is a mix of 3 micas. And that is a mix of Brazen Hussy, Spicy Tomato, and Voodoo. And it's equal parts. What I do is I put it into my container, and then I use a wooden dowel to kind of meld it and mesh it all together. And then I mix it in with some oil, and then I just let it sit. I let this sit overnight so it gets a really good, pretty red color. All those colors kind of mesh together. And then the other color we're going to be using today is, of course, Mad Mica's Satin Gray Pillowcase. So what I've already gone ahead and done is I've melted my oils. The recipe for our soap is going to be down below in the description box as well. I have all of my oils in here, as well as 2 tablespoons of kale and clay and 2 tablespoons of colloidal oats. And then to that I'm going to be adding my lye water. And I'm going to be hand mixing today, because this does tend to accelerate a little bit. So I want to be able to work with it, because I want to be able to do a good drop swirl in my mold today. So we'll go ahead and pour that in, and we will get started. I've changed my mind. I'm going to go ahead and give this just a quick stick blend, just to make sure I get it all incorporated in there. and put this to bed. And then we'll be back in 18 to 24 hours for the cut. Hi guys, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thanks for joining me back. Cutting the loaf of Ferocious Beast. This will be available in the shop on our January release. Last Saturday of January, I believe it's the 23rd or 27th. Release date will be in the description box below.